Hello, I am Hussein from A One Hospicare, a sister branch of Lucky Surgical. Today, I will show you what all facilities and fittings we provide in our EECO ambulance fabrication setup. This EECO ambulance is designed with complete emergency support features along with clean finishing and practical space utilization. In this ambulance, we provide an Autoloader Stretcher system for smooth and safe patient shifting during emergencies. We also provide stretcher rail fitting and attendant seating arrangement for better patient support. For oxygen support, we provide jumbo oxygen cylinder fitting under the attendant seat with oxygen flow meter and central line provision. This ambulance includes luminous AC-DC converter setup, electrical sockets, and complete electrical fittings for operating emergency medical equipment. We also provide fitting space for multi-para monitor, suction machine, defibrillator, and other required emergency equipment. Additional features includes LED lights, fan fitting, medicine shelf, storage compartment, and premium flooring for a better working environment inside the ambulance. We also provide siren fitting and complete interior fabrication with strong and durable finishing. At A One Hospicare, we customize EECO ambulance fabrication according to the customer and hospital requirements. For complete ambulance fabrication and emergency vehicle setup, contact A One Hospicare Indore. Thank you.